What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel where we talk about entrepreneurs, success online, Amazon, Shopify, etc., and why people are successful, and pulling back the blinds behind what the reality and what the truth is for entrepreneurs that are making 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 figures or more. Millions and millions of dollars, money that you should be making if you understood and if you can understand the things that I'm about to share in this video. And so today we're going to talk about Big Boy, the Big Cheese, American entrepreneur Grant Cardone, 66 years old, married to Elena Lyons. We know this guy, right? He's an American entrepreneur. He's the 10X guy, growth conference type of guy. He's making a lot of money and he's respectable in his own right. And so we're going to go through his marketing operations from the external level and see what he's doing from a copywriting standpoint, from a marketing funnel standpoint, from a external social media and online blog standpoint, and see really what's creating success here. And you can tell by looking anybody up. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter the person. When you look a specific keyword up that's related to the brand or to the person, you can tell what's allowing them to rank the highest by their Google search. And so immediately beyond the profile, you can tell his YouTube is successful. And I know for a fact that he started on YouTube by sharing how successful he was and what advice he gave to other people. Transparent people and people who believe you're authentic and relatable. Those are the two real ways to gain success. And then we have Twitter, and his website, his books that he's created, and his company has created for him. And so let's look at his website, grantcardone.com. If you see right away, we can tell a few things from the success of this landing page. It's the typical landing page that I keep telling everybody, if you want to be successful, it's not about the huge copy. It's not about all of the crazy designs and stuff like that. It's not about bolstering your brand. It's about media. Above the fold, what is compelling the person to get involved with your business? And this guy, Grant Cardone, is doing the most with his quick montage banner above the fold. And guess what? There's no call to action other than this banner that speaks to anything salesy other than this right here. Join the next 10X event, right? So if we go down that, he's got availability for Bitcoin. I've got JPY uploaded here, which is, Japanese yen. And basically, he's got like a shop pay. So this is like a Shopify. And so you're buying a nearly $2,000 or $1,500 executive ticket to his 10X conference right here, right away. Nothing big about it, no salesy introduction, just plain and simple. You see the banner and you're directed to this growth conference. There's one product image, right? This is highest level marketing. When you're so good that you can literally, you don't have to even type anything. Somebody goes on your page, they see 10 seconds or less of a montage of what you do and at the scale that you do it, and you're already selling them a $1,500 product. And you have 2 reviews. So I want to say, if there's anything about this page that's drawing me in, that's going to give you guys success for your business, is that you want to build out your content. You want to build it out so it's searchable. You want to have so much content about your specific skill set. Don't do anything fake. Don't do anything weird, like that's not genuine to yourself. I've done it for years, and the only thing that's actually got success is when I share real, authentic truths about business and my experiences. First and foremost, what you can tell that generates the most income and what he wants to generate the most income is his conferences. He just speaks, he shows up at the event, people show up, they pay $1,500 to $2,000 for an executive ticket, and boom, that's how you do it. And so if we're looking at going back to his page, the whole thing is a funnel, and it's not even that big. It's not like the King Kong sell like crazy. It's not like the even, Iman Gaji form. It's literally just a video, his navigation bar, and a direction to his event. Then it talks about who Grant Cardone is, what scale he does things, who he is, and where people find him credible. YouTube, 2.4 million, 1 million on Twitter, 4.2 million on Instagram, and New York Times bestselling author. And so these are the type of things, right, bolstering your success, bolstering your affiliation, Snoop Dogg, Rich the Kid, Logan Paul, the Illuminati, whatever you guys have as associations is going to be what you want to put on your landing page. And you're going to want to do it in a way that it's both appealing and easy to navigate. And so right away, the biggest thing that you can take away from this video is that Grant Cardone, before anything else, sells his knowledge related to his experience. Every human life is unique. And so what we go through is your product, your brand, your personal brand, is that you know what you know because of the life experiences you've been through. And that's it. You build your content and you build your product based on authenticity for who you are as a person, and scale that. And so without breaking down any of the copy here, without getting further into anything else, the simple truth is that the best way to sell anything is by getting skillful in one thing, something that you like, something that's related to your personality, making a bunch of content about it, and letting your persona speak for itself. Here's a perfect example of that from a guy named Grant Cardone. Good old Grampy Grant Cardone. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too in-depth. If you want me to go in-depth on the conversions, what site this is, the veil of how to put something like this together, or how to sell at this scale online, give me a ping, give me a comment. I'm happy to share. If you want to book a call with me, it's going to be hard to do. I'm pretty busy. But give me a comment below, like the video, comment, hate on me if you want, but I would love to share more knowledge with you guys about how people in the 7, 8, 9, 10 figure space are making money. Thanks, guys. Peace.